you this part. And straightening like this. And I'll show you this one. If you can see. And this part. Okay. Now.
Hey, என்னை வச்சு ஒண்ணு காமெடி கிமெடி பண்ணலையே.
Shall we open it? This is so hard to pick it up. Okay. This everything. Then I take this part off. It's a little ant. It's a very of something. Let's take.
சல்லியா நொறுக்கிட்டீங்களா?
Brush up. And this is the juicer number 1 part. Yes. 1 part.
Sing in the rain. I am flying in the rain.
Yes. This is like this is where you put apple, carrots, and some fruit. So let's open this. Gazelles and stuff. This is walnut. And we need to put the juice, and we need to put like fruits, and we need to keep it like them. Like we need to smash it, but like smash it like that. So we go like that and take another fruit, put another one, and but be careful with this. Like you do this like. Hi friends, now we have 4 carrots.
Hey, என்னை வச்சு ஒண்ணு காமெடி கிமெடி பண்ணலையே.
And we have mandarin and orange. You have those, look. Mandarin, orange, mandarin. Should we put it now?
ஆள் தெரியல போட்டுருக்கு. நாங்கெல்லாம் சிங்கத்தோட உண்ணாக்க வெட்டுக்குன்னு பிடிங்க திங்கிறீங்கடா. மர தமிழே. நீ படுத்து நிமிஷனால தாங்க முடியலையே.
Let's do this. Very carefully. Hi friends, I didn't have this, but
தலை வலிக்குதுடா. தலை வலிக்குதே.
now we're going to do our juice. Yes. Should we put orange? We have 3 oranges, 3 apples, 2 cucumbers, and 2 ginger. And now that's already 2.
Hey, நீ தான் பேசுறியா? How are you?
5 carrots, very little ginger, and some pomegranate. tiny ginger.
இருக்கட்டும். சிஎம்க்கு ஒரு போனை போட்டு இந்த போக்குவரத்து அமைச்சரை பூரா ஒரு ஆடினா தான் இந்த சூனா பணம் யாருன்னு நாட்டுக்கு தெரியும்டா. செமிச்சிடுறேன் இருங்க.
We have some tiny ginger. And we have pomegranate. Let's put that. And put the oranges. Now but just like that. And carrot and friends, and I'm going to pour it down.
ஐயோ
Now this is how it is. I'm going to try it. We are going to try it. Yes. The taste is good. It tastes good.
கடுப்பேத்துறார் மயிலாட்.
Thank you for watching our video. Yes, and thank you for looking for Riya comment Riya video and subscribe. And subscribe. And like in the Riya video.
லிஸ்ட் பெருசா போய்கிட்டு இருக்கு.
Bye bye.